I just dropped my son off at school. Now I'm about to get me some breakfast. I'm at McDonald's. Just the only thing about his school. I really wanted Dunkin', but that's like out the way. That's like going back the other way, and I'm not going back the other way. I'm trying to think what I want. Do I want a hash brown? I'm definitely getting me a coffee, an iced coffee to be exact. But I'm trying to think if I want a hash brown or if I want a sandwich or anything like that. Do McDonald's take Apple Pay? Because I definitely don't. Oh, yes I do. I thought I didn't have my wallet. I do. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just get a hash brown with an iced coffee. I think that's what I'm gonna get. That's what I'm gonna get. Let's see. Hi, good morning. No, I won't. Hi, can I have a medium French vanilla iced coffee with an extra shot of French vanilla? And then can I also do a hash brown? Yes, please. That's it, yes. Thank you. Alright, you all. Yeah, that's all I got. I just got the hash brown because I'm not in the mood to eat no sandwich. And I don't really be liking McDonald's breakfast sandwiches like that. I gotta be in the mood for Mickey D's. Hold on, let me unlock my card. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, I got my food and my coffee. Ready to head on back. They big one today. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's head back home. Hopefully I can see me. I gotta put my my car tripod up. I just got it a few days ago. And I haven't had time to put it up because I just got this car. This is a new car. So, yeah. Sorry, go ahead and turn for me. Alright, I'm about to put my music on, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. She doesn't fully understand me. She give me some time, I can be the man she needs. And we've been together since our teenage years. I really don't mean to hurt her, but I need some time. Don't treat them bad. Oh, I feel so sad now that I wanna leave. Oh no, no.
Did you guys want to do just the lunch, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But they got some fire stuff for the lunch too. So.
Yeah. Okay. So what, does it already come with the stuff like for the lunch, or do we still pick?
Oh, hello. No, seriously. This is all the stuff we got. We got spicy pork belly, garlic shrimp, chicken, whatever that say, white rice, onion, garlic, broccoli, zucchini, grilled chicken, and mini sausages. So now we just waiting for the food to come out. Not taking off your shoes. You are not home.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
What? Cheese. So the place that we're eating at today is called K-Pot. It is basically an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue and hot pot place. Me and my sister have been wanting to eat at this place for a little while. We seen it on TikTok. We decided to go today, which is like a random Tuesday, which I recommend coming on a random weekday in the middle of the day, because we tried to come here one time before on the weekend on a Saturday night, and it was like a 2-hour wait. So definitely come on a random day. But this time we decided to do the grill. Next time we come, we're gonna do the hot pot so that we can do like pho and stuff. But this food was really, really good. I do recommend this if you are in the Raleigh-Durham area. Definitely recommend. I get this place a good 10 out of 10, but just come on a random day. My drink just came out, y'all. This is strawberry daiquiri. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but it's a strawberry daiquiri. This is the progress we made with the food. We got like another 1 to 2 minutes left before we can eat. But we still gotta cook this other stuff. Shrimp is done. Now we got, what is this called again? Pork belly, sausage links, and our chicken is still cooking. We got a zucchini over there. We got some garlic, some onion. Next we're gonna make the broccoli, and then we're pretty much done. If y'all could smell this through the phone, girl. Some rice.
Are you gonna work? Okay, well, come look for it.
Who was that?
You said what? No, I said before that.
Do not be his friend. This is what's left to cook. My plate.
You want garlic? Pork?
I thought it would be. That's good.
It says spicy, but I don't taste spicy.
That baby tired. Round 2. What is this? Spicy chicken?
Yeah, spicy chicken.
And we got beef. Mussels. Oh, mussels are right here. And beef something, I don't know. Beef belly.
Yeah.
My plate currently. My sister got the mussels on there, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat them because they got little hairs on them. No thanks, dear. Not a chance I'm eating those. Okay, chef. Top chef. I'm sorry. I'm gonna add one more right here. Yeah, I don't really like lashes in my inner corner. Like, they start itching after a while, so I kind of just like leave my inner corner alone. But I'm gonna, I feel like something in my eye. I'm gonna add a little one right here to make it a little bit fuller, like this one. Use a little bit more glue. I hate putting glue once the lash is down. I hate doing that. Yeah, you know what? No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not even gonna try, because then I'm gonna mess it up, and I don't feel like doing that. So seal. I'm gonna go ahead and seal these. Ah. And then dry. Literally so quick and easy. But yeah, my lashes is done. I'm about to go do something to my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. But yeah. Ciao. Ooh, yeah. Don't act like that don't exist. Let me give y'all a quick car tour. Okay, so when you first open the door, of course, it's the driver seat and all that stuff. Got the gate opener. I need to open that anyway. The gate opener, and then the all that stuff you need to drive. And then this is my dashboard, nothing fancy or anything. And then that's my little screen for my radio. Then the passenger seat. Then when you come to the back, it's a mess because I got some seats down, but it's basically 3 rows. 3. I got that seat down, but I'm about to actually put the back down. My son was sitting back there. He wanted to sit all the way in the back, so I put that up for him. But I'm about to put it back down and put this mat back down because, yeah, it's taking up this whole space. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And then this is the trunk. This is what it looks like from the back. So yeah, that's my car. Quick little car tour. And then you can just put the gate down too by using the key. My license plate. Yeah, y'all get the gist. This is a Mazda CX-9 Touring.
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows almost doesn't count. Almost heard you saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me. But you can't get to heaven, half off the ground. Everybody knows, almost doesn't count. I can't keep on loving you, 1 foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation, a heart that's never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I could give you, than what you came here for. I'm gonna find me somebody, not afraid to let go.